going to start off with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray and the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Foundation in Nude. Now for my foundation, I usually use 3 scoops because that foundation is pretty good and you don't need too much, at least to get a good amount of coverage. If you want to get even more coverage, then you should probably use more, but that's what I usually use to get a thin layer of coverage. And I'm using my Bare Minerals Precise Face brush, and yeah. Now the next item I'm going to use is from MAC. It's a concealer, but I don't remember the color or the name of it because I got it years ago. This is what it looks like, and I use that under my eyes or anywhere in the face because I feel like it's a good base for using powders and eyeshadows, and I feel like for my skin tone it works perfectly fine. When I got it, one of the employees at MAC helped me get my skin tone. Next is the NYX Wonder Stick, and it brings a highlighter and a contour stick. So I'm gonna first use the highlighter for my eyes because you could use concealer, but I feel like concealer kind of dries out my skin and kind of makes it cakey. So this formula of the highlighter is pretty good, and it gives me enough coverage to add colors and stuff. The next product I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in, I believe, I'd have to put the name in the description box, but the brush is an angled brush, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I like to start off with my tail, and I don't really do what a lot of females do on YouTube, but they do a way bigger brow than their actual brow is. I kind of just follow my eyebrow, and then I start off lightly, and then after that I fill it in with more product until it's where I like it. But this is just how I do it, and yeah, I prefer the pomade than eyebrow pencil. So here I'm just finishing both of my eyebrows, and the next step I'm going to do is take that NYX Wonder Stick again, and with my highlighter again I'm going to go under and above my eyebrow so I can define it. And like I said, I like the highlighter because I feel like it's way better for defining, but it won't dry out your skin and make it look cakey and stuff. So that's what I'm using here again, and I like to box my eyebrows so that it can actually look kind of faded out in the outer eyebrow. So I'm here blending out the highlighter with my finger because I think that's the best way to do it. I feel like with a brush it doesn't come out as smooth. So the next thing I'm using is my concealer from MAC that I used earlier under my eyes, and I'm going to be using that on my eyelids because like I said, it's a good base for eyeshadows. Here I'm taking my Naked Basics palette, and I'm going to start off with WOS and this F.A.R.A.H brush that I got from Ipsy, and I'm just going to pack that color in there. Next color I'm going to be using is Naked 2 on my crease, and you don't want to go too crazy because this is more of an everyday look. So yeah, the next color I'm going to be using is Venus on my brow bone, and just to give it a little highlight on my brow bone. And yeah, after that I'm going to be using my NYX liquid liner, matte liquid liner actually, and I'm going to do my cat eyes. Now, like I've said in my previous videos, I like doing thicker cat eyes, you know, wings, but you don't have to do it as thick as me. This is just what I prefer. Some days I do like thinner ones, smaller ones, but for the most part I like thicker ones because I feel like it looks good on my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes with Makeup Forever's mascara. I'm kind of running out right now, so that's why it doesn't look that great, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my contour stick now, and I'm gonna do my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and just blend that out with my precision brush, and then we're gonna contour. The next product I'm going to be using is one of my favorites. It's the Cheerleader Bronze Squad palette. Isn't it beautiful? And it smells so freaking good. So I'm going to start off with the Hula shade, and I'm going to do my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And then after that, we're going to do blush with Colorista. And then, I believe that's how you say it, Coralista, yeah, whatever. Then after that, we're going to highlight, and we're almost done. There is one thing I want to mention though. If you guys are planning on getting or trying this product out, the pigmentation on it is really strong, so you just want to use a little bit, or make sure to tap your brush, like for real. So I'm finishing off with my Revlon translucent powder under my eyes, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my lipstick. I got it from Ipsy, so I don't really remember the name or the color, but I'll try to link it down below. And the next lipstick my cousin gave to me, and I'll try to get the name of that too.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. What I usually do if I don't have enough time to like do a lot, or you know, if I'm just going to like a doctor's appointment or something, this is what I usually do. But yeah, I usually put on eyelashes, but I need new ones, so I had to just put mascara on my real eyelashes. But this is what I usually do. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please look forward to my other videos and share the love, like, subscribe, comment on my videos, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat. I will leave my social media down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video.